Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share someone's post from feed to Instagram story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! You can only share someone's post from feed to your story if their account is public and they've allowed resharing of their posts. Sharing posts from feed to stories isn't available for everyone. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can choose someone's post that you want to share to your story. As example, I will choose a post from this account. I will open this account first. I will share this post. You can open the post, tap on the post that you want to share. Now you can tap on the DM, the share icon over here, right here. Tap on that. Now you can see there's an options in the bottom like threads, add story, share, and you can tap on add to story over here. Tap add to story. Now you can tap on the post if you want to display like this or like this. You can also add like filters or music to this story. I will add music. To this story. I will add this. Now you can tap on your story. Tap on that. Let's see if you made it. It's loading. You can wait. Keep in mind that when you share someone's post to your story, everyone who views it can see who originally posted it and can view the original account. If you have a public account, you can turn off the ability for others to reshare your post. Let's see. It's still loading. Now you see the post is already shared to my story. So that is how to share someone's post from feed to my story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!